In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the domain of a real valued function. So, I have taken two examples for which I will find the domain. Okay. So, the first function is 1 by x. F of x equals to 1 by x. So, at what point the function will be invalid or undefined? We will search for that at first. Suppose if we take x equals to 0, the function becomes undefined as f of 0 will be 1 upon 0. That means this value is undefined, and for this the function also become undefined. So the only point you can see is 0 where the function becomes undefined. So that is why we will take all the real numbers other than 0 for the domain. So the domain becomes all the real numbers other than 0. Now for this function f of x equals to 1 by square root of x, the function behave like this one. But here is a twist. If we take any negative number under square root, then it becomes a complex number. So we cannot take negative numbers. Here we could have taken all the real numbers, but the problem is that we cannot take all the real numbers because the negative number will give us a complex number. So we cannot take negative numbers. So the domain will be the positive real numbers excluding 0. Here you also will be unable to take 0 as a member of domain, because if the 0 is taken, then the function becomes undefined. And you have to remember that domain means the value that we will choose for the functions to give us output, and the domain means the set of inputs. Okay, I think you have understand all the things. If not, then please comment down below and do like and share the channel